INAS 303 be commissioned. You are hereby directed to proceed.
Captain Ajay Daniel Theophilus realizes he's a part of history now as he reads the commissioning warrant of the Squadron 303. The squadron based at INS Hansa in Goa consists of the MiG-29Ks. They are meant for carrier-based operations from the Vikramaditya and will replace the Sea Harriers operating from the Virat. The MiG-29Ks or the Black Panther Squadron are meant for the aircraft carrier Vikramaditya. Touted as a game changer in the Indian maritime offensive capability, this multi-role fighter from Russia is capable of short takeoff and arrested recovery and will be the first fighter in the Navy to do so. The day of the commissioning is propitious, as on this day the Navy is celebrating its Diamond Jubilee in aviation. It was on 11th May 1953 that the first naval air station INS Garuda was commissioned at Kochi. It was the same day 60 years ago the Navy's Fleet Air Arm became operational with the induction of sea land amphibians. Today the Naval Air Arm has grown to be a mini air force. In its inventory are 220 aircrafts, 1,300 officers and 9,000 men.
The MiG-29K in a way represents the future of the Fleet Air Arm's combat capabilities. The induction of the aircraft is expected to be a force multiplier for the fleet.
With a maximum speed of 2,400 km per hour and a range of 1,300 km, the MiG-29K is armed with AR-73 and RVV-AE guided air-to-air missiles, KAB-500KR guided bombs, the S-8 rockets and KH-35E anti-ship missiles. The fourth generation fighter will change the narrative from the Sea Harriers of the Virat, which have a largely defensive capability, thus giving teeth to our maritime air ops.
I used to tell my Russian friends when I was training in Russia that why have you named it the MiG-29K? It would have made better marketing to term it as the MiG-33.
The Defence Minister A.K. Antony trying his hand at the MiG-29K simulator facility he's inaugurated moments ago. The MiG-29K pilots will hone their flying skills here in a virtual 3D interface before the real thing. But taking them even closer to the extremely tricky and complex takeoffs and landings from an aircraft carrier is this, the SBTF or shore-based test facility at the INS Hansa, where the runway next to the Arabian Sea mimics that of the Vikramaditya. Although the SBTF was originally meant for the LCA, modifications have been made in the arrestor wires of the MiG-29K to take off from here. If you thought that it is ironical that the MiG-29Ks are here and the Vikramaditya is still not, it is not, repeat, not a case of all dressed up and nowhere to go. Since 2010, the Black Panthers have undertaken over 2,500 hours of flying and they are fully tested and proven. Now all they require is what is called deck integration with the Vikramaditya. With camera person Baswaraj, Abhay Sadanand and Gurunath Pai at the INS Hansa in Goa, this is Nandita Dagar for DD News.